the dead of night, across early 20th century America, a shadow fell upon countless homes. He arrived by rail, a phantom known only as the man from the train. Entire families slain in their sleep with the blunt side of an axe, their homes left otherwise untouched. For decades, these were seen as isolated tragedies, local horrors with no connection. But a century later, statistical analysis revealed a chilling pattern, linking dozens of massacres to one man, a single traveling serial killer who became America's most prolific, yet forgotten, murderer.